Good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to Tuesday, October 20th, 2020. Today, Ms. Wasala's class said the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The pledge to the Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag, I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has a right to feel safe, loved, and respected, be this at home on the bus or during the school day. If anyone at home on the bus or at school makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected, please tell someone. Tell a parent, your teacher, the counselor, the principals, or any other trusted adult. Today at Woodland Acres Elementary School, we have 4 birthdays. Happy birthday to Ivan, Andrea, Sabrina, and Carlos. Have a very happy October birthday. The character education themes for the month of October are compassion and tolerance. Helen Keller once said of tolerance, "Tolerance is the greatest gift of the mind. It requires the same effort of the brain that it takes to balance oneself on a bicycle." What do you think that means? And do you think that it is true that all we need for tolerance and compassion is the same that we need for riding a bicycle? Here at Woodland Acres, we have a couple messages for you guys this week. Please remember that tomorrow we are going to wear your favorite orange clothing. So wear your favorite Astros, your favorite Dynamo, maybe your favorite University of Texas orange clothing as we unite against bullying. Campus t-shirts are on sale for $10. Please see our Facebook page, our campus webpage, or see the message that was sent to you, but you can buy t-shirts starting at $10. Also, you can still join PTA. And Friday is Pinked Out for Breast Cancer Awareness. Make sure to wear your pink. All right, Wildcats, something to think about. This is Mrs. Marsh saying, make it a great day or not. The choice is yours.